Hi, I'm Kelly Williams, nutritionist with the Worcester County Health Department. Welcome to What's Cooking in Worcester. September is back to school month and families are busy, so we are making a healthy snack today that's no bake, no cooking. It's so simple, the kids can get involved and they can really do it almost themselves with minimal supervision. Today we're making chocolate chia seed pudding. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with a cup of milk, and you can use any type of milk you want, dairy, nut milk, soy milk, coconut milk, whatever you'd like, whatever suits your family. And we are adding this to a blender. So really the only equipment you need for this recipe is just your blender. Everything gets mixed right in here, so not a lot of dishes. So we have our cup of milk, and now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now, chia seeds, you may have seen them in the news or heard about them. They have so many amazing health benefits. They're high in antioxidants, high in omega-3s, good source of fiber and protein. So you can feel really comfortable giving this to your kids. I know the name is pudding. It doesn't just have to be a dessert. This makes a great breakfast. Pack it in the lunchbox. Perfect after school snack. It's really a complete food. So we're gonna add our chia seeds. And these blend up. If you have a high-powered blender, they'll get nice and smooth, so you don't have to worry about that. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of peanut butter. And if you don't like peanut butter, you don't use peanut butter in your household, any nut or seed butter will work, so almond butter, sunflower butter, any of those. And again, that's gonna add a little bit of protein and some of those healthy fats that we're looking for. We're gonna add, for sweetener, and this is our only sweetener in the whole recipe, a tablespoon of maple syrup. If you don't do maple syrup in your household, you can definitely use honey, something like that. Okay, and then we have cocoa powder. This is unsweetened. You might see it called cacao, you might see it called cocoa powder. You can use either one. And this is gonna give a nice creamy texture. We have 1 ripe banana. And of course, the more ripe your banana is, the more sweetness it will add to your pudding. So that's another reason you don't need any added sweetener outside of that maple syrup, because the banana does a lot of that for us as well. And you don't have to bother cutting it. You just add it right in there. And now for some seasoning. We're gonna use a teaspoon of cinnamon. And you can really make this your own. If you like other spices or seasonings, feel free to use them. We're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla extract in, but if you like other flavoring extracts, mix it up, try new things. This is a great way to experiment with flavors and try something you might not have had before. So that's everything. We're gonna go ahead, put this in the blender, and give it a whirl until it looks nice and smooth. Okay. Now you might have to just sort of push the seeds down sometimes. And you can give that another whirl if you want to make it nice and smooth, or if you don't mind, you can leave them in there if you like kind of more of a rice pudding texture as well. So you have a couple options now. You can put this into individual serving bowls like I'm going to do right now. That makes them really easy to grab and go, little portion controlled containers, or you can put it in one large bowl and just scoop it out as you want. So you can see it's pretty liquidy now, not pudding consistency, but we are going to put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. About 2 to 4 hours in your refrigerator until it firms up like a pudding. And after a few hours, it will come out nice and solid, went from liquid. And this is where it gets really fun for the kiddos. I would encourage kids to really add some toppings, make a little topping bar if you want, experiment with some things. This is also a great way to encourage kids to try something new. Add something that's a familiar favorite on top. It will help them feel a little bit more comfortable when they're trying something new. So for this one, we could add on top maybe some strawberry or a little bit of coconut, or what kid doesn't love, some mini M&Ms. Put a few of those on top, and then you're ready to go. Let's give it a taste. Really chocolatey. You get a little bit of the banana, but it's not overpowering at all. I don't even think your kids will know this is healthy unless you tell them. It's a perfect after-school snack, a breakfast on the go. Throw it in the lunchbox. You can enjoy this anytime. And of course, chocolate pudding for dessert. I hope you enjoy it. Remember to eat healthy, be active, prevent diabetes today.